is Christian. I am studying of the Salesian Polytechnic University of Ecuador. This is an artificial intelligence project based on convolutional neural networks using TensorFlow and KERAS and other necessary tools. So this is website for this project. Alright, so objective of the project is that our convolutional neural network learns to classify with if shelf the images that are given to it and reinforce the knowledge acquired in class about the design and programming of convolutional neural networks as a pattern classification tool. So for this project I need these concepts and convolutional neural networks. So what is KERAS, what is TensorFlow, what is activation function. So next, develop an artificial neural network that performs and process of classification images that represent different categories. Okay, so for this project first, instead the libraries that we are going to use. For example, I need this library. So for install only write in my computer pid instead reports. So this library allows to create a PDF document for Python. Other example is pid instead upgrade TensorFlow. I need this library import. For example, I need NumPy, I need Matplotlib, I need Keras, I need TensorFlow. I need connect my book of Google Drive with this book. So I need Boros. Okay, secure. So we secure the following code using the tool. The tool is of the Google Colab, is the Google. So play. Nice. Okay. So developing. After the secure edge code, we are review the results on the set execute. 1. Of all the necessary libraries have been imported, we start giving permissions of our unit and mounting the unit that we are going to use with the respective date. So this code is from Google Colab import drive.mount directions. So results is ready. This code allows to location or date with our driver, and then we proceed to count the categories and images that we have. So look in tool Google Colab. Okay, so first imports play and connect with Google Drive. Play already. So it's processing this code. So process everything, date, information of my data set is classification and counts. Is ready. So next code is step 3. This code allows to create labels and class for each category of imaging that we have. So execute this code and play and ready. Is classified in class and everything in class. I have 24 class starting 0. So next, uh, number 4. This code allows us to security the data for training and for testing. For this project, I 20 20 day is for testing and 18 is for training. So execute this code. El test is 0.2. Play. Ready? So next. Number 5. This code allows us to encode categorical variables as binary vectors. Code. Execute code and ready. Okay, so we proceed to show the images of our dataset. This is a code for show images. Play. It's nice. It's ready. Good. So next. Now, so this is all the main thing to load, classify, and separate the date for training. So now we proceed to the creation to the neural networks. So artificial intelligence. So we created the first convolution networks, COV. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So first layers is 32 fields and function activation is rule. So for layer 2 is function activation rule and rule for layer 3 and 4. So layer 5 activation is 16 fields, and for classifiers I need function activation is softmax. So looking this code secure and ready. I need use model is sequential. Listo. So play a compiled of model and ready. So this code is for load and and load and evaluate this training and test everything the test the everything information in X. So save this model. Okay, so in this code I have epoch 100, if by side is 200, if by both is 1. So look, and number 99 is loss is 3 3 point and 19. So so with this model, I I have graphics, this graphic 1 and graphic 2. I have other things doing of different configuration and neuronal networks. So chains and epoch, so chains los verboche, chains other things. uh, for example, function activation. So look, so in this trainer fields, I have lost the 0, 1, 0.12. So look, uh, los look this graphic obtained. This, this, and second training is second training obtain these graphics, graphic 1 and graphic 2. I have training 3. So in training 3, I have lost number 3.91. Graphics obtaining is this. Okay, so my my friend expliques other convolution neural networks.